always I must start with Ganapati. I'll tell you the reason why I start with Ganapati. There's an incredible reason for this. Other than the normal Hindu tradition kind of thing, Then this will be, Ganapati one will be simple, Namasman type bhajan, nothing in Tamil. How many of you here understand Tamil anyhow? Okay, so too few of you. So we'll have a simple Namasman type bhajan. This one bhajan I'm going to share with you is the bhajan that came to me. As you all know, what's 2007, I had a triple heart bypass, surgery. And by the time about 1,000 odd songs had come to me. And the first bhajan that came to me after the surgery was this Ganesha song. But a very funny bit about surgery. I mean, you know what they do? They just cut the bunding and open the heart and freeze your lungs and your heart, and then do the repair work, and then they start the heart back. Later, the doctor tells me after the operation, Jega, sometimes it doesn't work. I said, boy, you tell this to me after it.
Thank God.
So anyhow, but mine started. So this song, the first song that came to me, so I call this song The Return of the Mummy.
By the way, Uncle, just quick question. How many songs you have composed?
1,300.
1,300.
No, I haven't composed. It just keeps coming, so I just record it. I just tape it. In fact, here itself, yesterday, the song came. In fact, my whole trip, Canada, and no song was coming, And it comes, Then just the last thing, I think because of their influence.
And the influence of Curioso Studios?
Sorry.
In the morning before we went to
Before we went to
Okay.
Three poems,
Lambo